In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OneNote to Microsoft To Do 2026 Easy Integration tutorial. By the end, every new note you add to a specific OneNote section will automatically become a task in Microsoft To Do, saving time and keeping ideas from slipping through the cracks. First, sign into Zapier. This is the automation tool we'll use to link the two apps. Any standard plan is fine. Once you're in, you'll build a simple workflow that watches OneNote and creates tasks in To Do. Next, authorize your accounts. In Zapier, connect Microsoft OneNote and Microsoft To Do using your Microsoft 365 credentials. Approve the requested permissions so Zapier can read notes from OneNote and add tasks to To Do. If you use multiple Microsoft accounts, double check you're picking the right one and consider adding a short label so you can tell them apart later. Create the trigger, choose OneNote as the app, and select the event called New Note in Section. This tells Zapier to monitor a single notebook section instead of your entire workspace. Pick the exact notebook and section you want to watch. Many people point this at a dedicated section for action items to keep the automation focused and tidy. Define the action. Choose Microsoft To Do as the app and select Create Task. Confirm the same Microsoft account you connected earlier so the task lands in the right place. Now map your fields. Set the task title to pull from the OneNote note title. Choose the specific task list that should receive these items, like a project list or a general inbox. If available, add the note link or a short summary into the task's notes or description field so you can jump back to the original page. You can also map optional fields, such as due date or importance if that fits your workflow. Finally, activate the automation. Give the workflow a clear name, turn it on, and create a quick test note in the chosen section. Within moments, a matching task should appear in your selected to-do list. If anything looks off, open the workflow's run history in Zapier to see the details and adjust the notebook, section, or field mapping. That's it. You've connected OneNote to Microsoft To Do with a clean, reliable automation that quietly runs in the background so your notes become actionable tasks without any extra effort.